Hi, how's everybody doing? Hope everybody got a restful night, had a restful night. Peace, love, and coffee. Good morning. I made 2 eggs. I found a baked potato in the freezer. I cut it in half. I thawed it out and then I cut it in half because the whole potato would have been too much for me today. Let me get my... And I had like a sorry tomato, so I just fried it up. I think I sort of almost left it too long. Let's see. But I like tomato. This is hot. I love tomato. Oh, I forgot my cucumbers. Mmm. So good. And this is the baked potato. I halved it and then I quartered it and I fried it up. Got my orange. I can't do juice. Juice hurts me. All those screwdrivers, forget about it. No more orange juice for me. Actually, no more juice. I can drink a tomato juice. Like if I'm on a plane, I usually get a tomato juice and then a ginger ale. This orange is delicious. Let me see how my eggs came out. Oh, good. Oh, good. We got birthdays today. Taylor Dane, I picked her. I love her. Amanda Gorman, love her. Rachel Weiss, Wanda Skies, Peter Wolf, Chris White, Daniel Tavante, Anna Magnani, Ernie Isley, Brian Cranston. Oh, Mickey Dolenz. He's tomorrow. I don't know why he popped up on my... I wrote it, but it's not today because I checked. It's tomorrow. So I'll be playing Mickey tomorrow. I love Mickey. Today is Be Heard Day, Name Tag Day, Crown Roast of Pork, maybe for Easter. Hospitalist Appreciation, Plant Power, Sock Monkey. As I had a sock monkey, and my sister had a sock monkey, a big one too. It was like this long, it was big. I wonder what ever happened to him or her. And Cereal Day. We got 12 days to spring. I can't wait. It's 50 today. I'm going to take this off in a minute. I'm going to go see my mom because, I sleep in camis, but I don't want no problemo. So it's 50. It's cloudy. I think it stopped raining. It rained all day yesterday. And a lot of the nighttime, too. I'm going to take my cart, go see my mom, and then I'm going to walk to the... I think I'm going to walk to the furthest... Oh, I can go to the new supermarket, Decisions. Thankful Thursday, Thirsty Thursday, Junior Friday. Don't forget to get something good to eat. Stay hydrated. Oh, I forgot the names. Today's names are Ben, Carol, Cooper, Sharon, and Teresa with no H. My mother's name is Teresa, but with an H, T-H. This is Teresa without, it's T-E-R-E-S-A. Today's your day, darlings. I love potatoes and tomatoes. Enjoy your Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. We are planning to get together tomorrow, Eva and me. Hopefully. And it's supposed to be nice tomorrow. I hope so. Because the rain was like a big downer, you know. I was like, who wants to go out in the rain? I mean, I didn't blame Eva. So we have plans to see tomorrow. To find a place where you feel safe, respect boundaries, and make sure others respect your boundaries. And be a safe place. I'll talk to you later. Have a wonderful, wonderful Thursday. Don't forget, get something good to eat. And stay hydrated. Maybe I'll do a shopping haul or something. Let's see. Hopefully it's not raining.